What's good, world? It's your boy Bobstar Fool, and I'm back with another unboxing video. Feel me? So let's get into it. Woo! Woo! I wish there was some type of stand. Oh wait. There we go. So yeah, this is my first type of collectible like this. And who you think it is? You guessed it right. Wow. Woo! Yes, sir. You already know what it is, man. It's Vegeta, the Prince of all Saiyans, in the space pod that he flew to the Earth with. Oh man, this is crazy. Like, this is my first like collectible piece, sort of like this, that came in a box. Cause you kind of have to assemble. Yeah, somebody. Yo, that's badass. That is badass. What? Wow. Like, the detail on this is really good. Really good. From the control panel buttons to expression to like the leather interior. I'm gonna have to look at it one more time. Yeah, expression of Vegeta is on point. Just sitting there, concentrated when he's gonna be there. Got the battle details of the Saiyan pod. The wear and tear of it, beautiful. A slight bluish tint on there as well, because you know when the Saiyan pod was flying through space, it was blue. So I like that as well. I've looked at a lot of other ones, but then this one just beats it out. I mean, thank God I didn't get the other ones. And this came out right when I was looking. Wow. This is definitely a display piece. Yes, sir. How does it look like when I close? How it look? How you look? A little dark in here, right? Let's change that. Woo! Yes, sir. With the lights off and with the lights on, man, that's how you set the mood right there. That's more like it. So what I did was went on Amazon, bought these little LED puck lights. We can switch it different modes. So we got red, we got green. What else we got? Blue. We also got white. Can also do like a fade mode, which I like as well too. Just goes throughout the colors. And that shit a time. Yeah. And there you have it, guys. Smash that like button below. Subscribe if you haven't, because it helps the channel grow. And I appreciate you. And just like always, stay tuned. Peace, love, and happiness. Your boy Bobstar Fool. I'm out.